Hi guys, so today will be a very exciting day. I'll be going on to San Francisco on my own. There's three main places which I would like to visit: Lombard Street, Alamo Square, and the Golden Gate Bridge. Of course, there are more places to see, but these are my three main objectives that I'm gonna meet. I'm also planning to sit on the sightseeing bus to bring me around San Francisco. Honestly, I'll be there really on my own without my friend bringing me around, so it'll be quite an adventure and quite a few uncertainties. I'll start packing and we'll start moving out. Hi guys, so I'm here in San Francisco finally after an 8-hour drive. I'm trying to find the Golden Gate Bridge or the sightseeing bus. This place is pretty messy, so I do not know where I'm going, and my phone is nearly flat. So let's see where my legs take me. Well, at least I got a map now. Man, this map is big. Hi guys, so I figured my way and I'm heading downwards to the Fisherman's Wharf where I sit the bus. So actually all these are actually the homes of the homeless people. They actually sleep in tents. As you guys can see, the roads here are actually a little bit slopish, so it's quite tiring walking up the hill all the time, but oh well, you still gotta go. Guys, it's quite a long walk. I really regretted staying so far away from the Fisherman's Wharf. This map isn't really helping much, so I really got to rely on my phone, but it's got to charge up. Look how messy my hair is. That's why I'm afraid to show you. Anyway, we still got to keep going. It's just a little bit more. Oh my god guys, I can finally see the Golden Gate Bridge from here. Hi guys, so that is Alcatraz Island. Okay, hi everyone. So I met up with someone who's from Taiwan. So yeah, he helped me to take photos. So can you introduce yourself?
Hi，我叫 Robert， 我叫守元，对，很高兴认识哲峰，我们只是在路上巧遇。
Yeah, although my Chinese is very lousy, but I still can communicate with him.
Yeah,
so,
okay, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna eat together and let's see how our adventure turns out.
Yeah, okay, great. Let's go.
Hi guys, so I know this has been a long video, but as usual, if you guys like my content, please like and subscribe so that I can generate more content for this channel. If not, let's continue my trip in San Francisco. Hi guys, so we managed to get this 3-day Muni Pass which allows me to travel all around San Francisco. So I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do the scratch card which allows us to have the pass for these 3 days. Okay, first, so we have to identify which month is it. So now it's June. Today is the 25th, 对吗?
Yep.
Okay, today is the 25th, so right here. Okay, so with this we should be able to travel around the few different lines all over San Francisco. So let's go.
No problem.
Late at night, I think of you. Your vision floods my mind. There isn't much I wouldn't do to be sure you're mine. No matter what you choose to do, no matter day or time. I only want.
Hi guys, so we are finally at Lombard Street. Alright, this place has been known for its very curvy roads and very narrow ways. So we're going down to explore and see the place.
I with you. As time goes by with you.
Hi guys, so something very nice about San Francisco is that you are able to take very nice top-down angles down the street, which turn out very nice. Let me show you one over here. Hi guys, I'm finally back here in my hotel after a very long day. As you guys know, I've met a new friend called Robert from Taiwan. He was really a big help helping me to navigate through the places today. So a big thanks to him. Please follow his channel down below and hopefully we can help each other's channel. If not, I will leave you guys with one tip in traveling with San Francisco. Do get the 3-day pass. This 3-day pass is actually able to bring you on to all these cable cars, which is very convenient, helping you to get around San Francisco, be it all the trademark places or just places of convenience. So do really get that. It's not a very tedious process. Basically, you just need to queue up at the station to be able to get either a 1-day, 3-day or 7-day pass. I got the 7-day pass at probably around $34 and I was able to travel with all 3 or even more lines. So it was really helpful and I really got here so much faster than when I started. So with that, thank you for watching. Tomorrow we'll be heading on to new places, the Golden Gate Bridge, Alamo Square and a few more which I cannot name now. If you like the content of this channel, please continue to leave down your comments below. What do you like? And please subscribe. If not, I'll see you guys in the next episode.